Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I'm going to show you around this absolutely gorgeous 13 registration Bentley Continental GTC. Now this is the V8 model, ready for summer. Think about these sort of trips you could have in the sunshine with the one you love in this. Now this car has over £14,000 worth of factory options when it was new. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you around it because it's an absolute delight. Now the car's finished in the Glacier white paint and is sat on the 21-inch black alloy wheels. Black calipers with Bentley embossed brake calipers. Now this particular car has just under £3,000 worth of PPF Paint Protection Film on it. So the whole of the vehicle has what we class as an invisible protector on it, which will keep your paintwork in absolutely gorgeous condition. Protects it from any stone chips and marks, stuff like that, but a wonderful idea that. Now externally also we've got lots of nice features. For example, we've got a reversing camera with a Glacier white paint, just really suits this vehicle. Lovely size boot there, and obviously an electric boot as well. Nice size in there, detailed stripes. Fit your golf clubs in, fit your away bags. Really super spacious boot. Twin tailpipes, lovely chrome detail, contrast to the white paintwork, but a lovely vehicle. Now we sell a lot of Bentley Continentals. Somebody said jokingly the other day, are we a Bentley specialist? No, we just specialise in top quality, low mileage, high specification Bentleys. Now, this is where the wow factor is on this car. So this has the Mulliner Driving Specification. As you can see there, we've got a quilted leather interior. So we've got linen and obviously Beluga interior. We've got massaging seats, we've got heated seats, we've got climate seats. Lovely interior. Now that vehicle has got a contrast stitch steering wheel. We've got deep pile over mats. We've got the dual tone 3-spoke steering wheel, massaging and ventilated seats. In the centre we've got the storage compartment. But for me, the beauty of this one is the neck level warmer. So you get nice warm air, blows down your neck from there. Aluminium detail, the contrast of the gloss black detail with the white contrast stitch, with the quilted leather. Really wonderful vehicle throughout. Now this car has only done 37,302 miles as we do the video. We've got both sets of keys, we've got both tracking devices. I've even got, you think, wow, how do you remember all of that? There's the original build sheet for the vehicle, standard 114,666, topping out at 128,70. That's not including the tracker. What a great car. Beautiful. Love driving these, everybody. If you've not drove a V8, beautiful. Absolutely quintessential, silky smooth, lovely, but capable of 25 miles to the gallon. Now I know that sounds, what, 25 or more than that. It's a Bentley, it's a V8. Beautiful. So if you'd like any more info, give us a call. It's going in the showroom. We've got a selection of Bentleys. Have a look on our website. If you're looking for one, then you know you'll go a long way to find a nicer one on a 2013, 10 years old by the way. Did I say that? 10 years old. It's a private cherished number on that. Nobody knows any different. Give us a call, but thanks for watching our video.